Hello everyone, and today we are going to make a game in Scratch. It is like a game of catching things, and you could make any type of it because there is a lot of option of it. So let's get started. Okay, so we will make, first of all, let's open here. So this is the cat, and we don't need this cat. Make it from here. Here is the ball, so just delete this one sprite, yeah, and let's change this ball. Just I like this one because it make it more beautiful, really, and I love it because it's lovely. Yeah, and of course here, and we need green here. Let me make a green so that it's look pretty. Okay, so here and like this, maybe like this. Yeah, so this is the bowl, like Coca-Cola. Yeah, and okay, so let's color it like this, and then let's choose a thing that we will be going to catch. So we will need something like apple. Let's see, let's make it a bread. So yeah, bread will come and a bowl will catch it. Yeah, and let's make it little big, or yeah, you could make this one little bit big, or you could just make it a bit smaller. So I'm doing both of it. Okay, so now we will need something like background. So for now I'm using this. Let me use some kind of, let's use, okay, so I'm using this because it is my favorite. Okay, so as you see, we have colored it, but you see in the green tree it couldn't see properly. So just go here and let's make it like this, so it is seeable nicely. Whatever, sorry, yeah, like this. And bread is bread. Okay, so now we will have to make nothing actually. Now we will have to make, when click this, then forever loop. And you know something that you want to, okay, so this is height, it will go up, and for this it you want to make it back down, so just do it -10, just like this. Okay, but it's not we need, for this we will need to do it like this, so it will go right, and -10 means it will go left. Okay, so we will need this 2 of it, yeah, x, 2x, and we will need if block. Okay, don't overlap in it because it will be a long statement. Okay, and then we will need here, and just place it like this, and we will need when key space is pressed 2 times. Actually we are going to do it left, and here, I mean right, yeah. So let's see, when click this, it would only go here and here. It's nice. Okay, so this is the thing that we will do for mine in going left and right. This is not all nice. So for now it's good. Now we will need to set the command for this one. Yeah, so we will need like, when click this, go to render position, and as I said, set y by 180. 180. So let's see what happened here now. It will go to here, and it will go to render position, and it will go to the top only. Now this is that. Now we could make one more thing to fold it down. So as you see, y is for going up and -10 in y is for down. Okay, so we need -10. So if we set in forever loop, it will just go, but when it goes, it just got stuck when it reached the, the bottom. Else we have to go to operators and set less than. Okay, and as you say, as I have said that y position is for up and down, so we will do this, and as you see, it is this place is 170. Okay, so let's see. Minus 170. So if y position is smaller than 170, then we have to go to top somewhere else and random position. For now, for that we have already created a code that is go to the random position. So let's just duplicate it and just put it here. So yeah, let's see what happens. It goes there and there and there and like this, and we can't catch it. So now we will have to catch. So we will need when click this and then forever, and we will need if. So we will need if and then touching. We will need touching mouse pointer. So we will say ball. So if touching ball, then create a sound. This is pop, but let's see what could we do for it. Pop or collect. We will need collect. So see. Okay, so we will need this one. Okay, so this is that, and let's delete this one. And when if touching the ball, play sound this. Okay, so as you see, if we tell it like this, it will. Okay, so let's see what's happening. Let's see. It's like just like this. It's like that, but it's only first thing, right? So we will need like something like hide. First of all, hide, and then show. Wait, how many? We will take 0.2 seconds. Then we will show it. So you see, if we are touching it. It's going there. As you see, if we do that, so it's not working. So let's just delete this code. And so if touching that, okay, so we will need a variable. So we will need score for the variable. Okay, so this is the variable and change. Okay, so if touching ball, then change it score by 1. Okay, so and we did one more thing. Set variable to score to 0. Okay, yeah. Okay, so set to 0. So whenever we click it, it's always 0. So it's like this: 1, 2, and 3. It's just like this. It is like this because we have code later. So just do like this because it's will be great there. Yeah. So this is our scratch game. Now, as you see, it's like something like it's too big for here to go inside, right? So we will need to decrease its size itself. So as I say, you could just increase its size or decrease its size. Okay, so this is that. Let's make some toppings here. So yeah, so just like this, and let's do it like this. So it's white bread. Okay, and now so this is basically what I wanted to share with you today. So see you in the next video. Bye. See you and scratch on.